Solana is finally breaking out of this longer accumulation phase. But what are the next bullish price targets? And in which area I can buy more Solana? In this video I will talk about Solana and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates about Bitcoin, Solana and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So as you can see, Solana were longer in this range. And lately we finally broke this supply zone to the upside. And I said that the chances high, if we are breaking this supply zone, that then the chances high that we will see the real bullish explosion. And in my last video to Solana, I said that the chances high that we will see a pullback in $158 and then continue the bullish momentum. And as you can see, Solana perfectly came down into these levels. And after we took this liquidity, we then saw this immense bullish breakout. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 30%. Congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Solana. So Solana perfectly break this supply zone, retested it, and we also broke now this supply zone to the upside. And now we are in this very interesting area with this last highs around $208. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, we see this very bullish candle. And I think the chances high that we now see finally the bullish explosion over these levels, maybe retest it and then go to all-time highs. And I definitely think that Solana is one of the best projects for the crypto market and for this bull run. And if we are looking at the Fibonacci tool for this whole swing, then we are getting this next potential price target. And I think the $416 are very realistic. I think that this price target around $669 is very realistic. And I would definitely take most of my profits in this area because I also bought in this bottoms right here in this bear market. So I definitely made very good profit. But I also will definitely hold some Solana, and I think the chances high that we could also reach this potential price target. But I will definitely sell most of my coins in this area, because if we are reaching a top and then crashing to the downside, the chance that we are crashing 80-90% is very high. So I will definitely sell most of my coins in this area. And I think because Solana will pump this bull market, that all projects which are also cooperating with Solana will also go to the upside. And I think one very interesting project is Tars AI. Tars AI is a smaller AI coin backed by the Solana Foundation. So I think the chances high if Solana pumps to the upside that Tars will also pump. And it's a smaller AI coin. And I think the AI narrative is also one of the best ones for this whole crypto market. So I definitely see a big potential for this project. And if we have a look at the chart, you can also see we had this longer accumulation phase. And mostly if smaller coins are not very good, then the chances high that we will see lower prices. But Tars definitely hold in this zone. And now we finally saw some bullish confirmation. And if we can also break this last high here around 16 cents to the upside, I think the chances high they will go to this next potential price targets. And of course we have the all-time high at 28 cents. And I think the all-time high potential is definitely higher than the last all-time high. So if we are now finally breaking this last highs to the upside, maybe retest in this area, then I think it's an amazing chance to get into this project. And of course, we have a very high potential for this bull run, because Solana is definitely one of the best projects, but we didn't have a 10 to 100x potential. But TAI has the potential to get to 10 to 100x for this bull run. Of course, this belongs to the most coins which are in cooperation with Solana. But I think this is very interesting because we are back from Solana Foundation and it's an interesting AI project. And if we have a look again at Solana, of course, we are now in this very interesting area. And if you're on the sideline right now, I would either wait if we're seeing the bullish impulse, get some bullish confirmation right here and retest this last highs. I think this is an amazing chance to get into Solana again. And of course, after this bullish impulse, the chance for a pullback is there. So I think the chance is high that we maybe retest this last supply zone because we had here multiple times rejection. And then the chance is high that we are retesting it. And if we are seeing bullish price action, then the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. Or if we're using the Fibonacci tool, then we are getting this next potential zone in this area between the 61.8 and 87.6 Fibonacci. But I think the chances high that we are reaching this last zone. But if we are falling to this prices and also see bullish price action right here, I think it's one of the best chances to get in Solana again in this area. And if you want to trade Solana or other crypto, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, I think Solana is one of the best projects for this bull run, and we finally saw the bullish confirmation. I think the chances are that we can see the bullish explosion in the near future, but if we are seeing pullbacks in interesting zones, I will definitely get into more Solana in this area and pump it to the upside. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.